latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Union Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said that there would be full bulk of air traffic by Diwali. Hardeep Singh Puri said that centre will allow more flights from cities such as Mumbai and Kolkata, which have restricted the flight operations. Currently, only 100 flights per day are being operated from Mumbai. Kolkata has restricted flights from Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Nagpur and Ahmedabad until August 31st. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has allowed airlines to operate only up to 45% of their pre-COVID capacities. Only 35% of flight operations were allowed when operations resumed on May 25th after lockdown. Hardeep Singh Puri also said that 33% of pre-COVID numbers have already been achieved.
The figure of domestic passengers on August 24th was 98,800, so we have already reached 33% of pre-COVID numbers. We are increasing domestic passengers at the rate of 5,000 a week. With Mumbai hopefully having COVID numbers under control, the graph stable and coming down, I am hoping that after the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, we will open up Mumbai more. Bengaluru, Kolkata will be a little less sporadic. We will be looking to touch the 50% mark before too long. By Diwali, we should be getting a bulk of our civil aviation traffic back in form.
The Union Aviation Minister also said that increase in international flight operations will depend on the behavior of the virus.
International flights operations will depend on the behavior of the virus. I cannot anticipate whether countries will allow people from India, but we have gone ahead and made the best out of a very difficult situation, navigated through turbulence, and today we have air bubbles with the US, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, Germany. I have announced 13 more.
Hardeep Singh Puri also said that there is no need to quarantine if international passengers are carrying a certificate of an RT-PCR test done in the last 96 hours. Earlier, 7 days institutional and 7 days self-quarantine was made compulsory for all the international passengers. Aviation sector is among the worst affected sectors due to COVID-19 as most countries imposed restrictions on domestic and international flights to contain the virus. CAPA India has projected losses of $4 to $4.5 billion for India's airline industry in 2020-2021. The Union Aviation Minister said that the only way to save airlines is by resuming flight operations as soon as possible. International and domestic flight operations closed in India on March 19th as COVID-19 cases surged in the country.